Hi people, my cat Jack loves whipped cream. He's really weird. See? Ah! Best friends. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'll prove it to you that he loves whipped cream. See, we're in the fridge, and what are you doing? Oh, you just love the camera. Okay. And here's the whipped cream. You're still on me. Okay, so here's the whipped cream. Taking it out. Ta-da, whipped cream. And look at him. He loves it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're going to set it down and close the fridge. Okay, so here's how we do it. Jack, don't. So here's the whipped cream. Shake it. La 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 la. Oh yeah, and see, he mixes it all up. Voila. He loves whipped cream. Love cream. See? Weird little kitty.